Oh, wait, you might meet your Valentine today, so we're maso. Muzago kubitana no dusinye, you know. So, this session, the first session, is composed with covers, indirimbo z'abandi bahanzi, Munda, that I feel like I would love to sing for you guys. And big shout out to my sister in the house, #1 supporter, my sister and her team from Make Way. You're very welcome. Let's go.
Now, hey, oh yeah, don't be
of song. I wouldn't do this without them, you guys. But I'm gonna sing one last song requested by my sister. She had to abuse, yeah. My breakthrough song, and the name is Away. If you don't know the song, go check it out, okay? Yeah. Ways on the way. Baby, when I look at you right there, you know when I see how you love me, I can do anything just to prove you that my baby. Away, would you go away with me? Away, all time I hide this face, now I don't know you. So, sitaka kujenda, ni watu manusa, if you you know how I see how you love me, I can do anything just to prove you. I don't even know his version. Oh yeah. Since you go and sing to you, give it to no matter who gets my sins that I don't know why. No, I don't know why. Now you want me, you love me, you better hold me hard.
Thank you, God.